Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. If you get a new range, you might find that your old one was hardwired. If you're not sure what hardwired means, it basically means that the electrical wires from your panel are directly wired to the electrical wires of your appliance. But fear not, folks. Installing a plug for your appliance is easy. First, locate the breaker to the appliance and turn it off. Open up the J-box and test to make sure the wires are off. Undo the wire nuts and remove the electrical wires from your panel out of the J-box. Look to see if you have 4-wire or 3. If you have 3 wires, you will need to buy a 3-wire plug rated for the appropriate amps. If you have 4 wires, you will need to buy a 4-wire plug. You can either buy a flush mount device or a surface mounted device. I recommend the surface mounted device since most appliances have an opening near the bottom that allows for this. Mount the wire clamp on the outlet and install the wire. Wire the ground to the green screw, the white to the neutral. The neutral screw will be marked on the device. Then install the red and black wires on the other 2 screws. It doesn't matter which screw you use for the black and which you use for the red. Screw down the outlet, install the cover, turn back on the breaker and test. If you still need help, visit thevirtualelectrician.com to schedule a virtual electrician.